On Earth, there exists a terrible villain that affects the lives of countless of people and is the worldwide leading cause of death. Its name is heart disease. Yet there are superheroes that may have the answers to stop heart disease in its treacherous path. These superheroes are named Danio Rerio, or more commonly known as zebrafish. However, these superheroes need help in discovering the answers to stop heart disease. They need the help of other heroes. These other heroes are a team of collective brave individuals named the Goldman Lab. It is made up of me, Jose Segura Bermudez, Lizzie Lopez, Bacon Liu, Anna Lubertosi, Anupama Rao, Jacob Panton, Ishrat Jahan, and Joseph Aaron Goldman. We have our headquarters at The Ohio State University in the Department of Biological Chemistry and Pharmacology at Reitmeyer Hall, which is located on West Campus. As mentioned before, zebrafish are the heroes in this story because they have the innate ability to regenerate heart tissue after injury through significant heart muscle cell proliferation. My lab is trying to understand how zebrafish can do this at the level of gene expression through transgenic and mutant models. My time in lab this summer has been really valuable so far in my development as a researcher. I have learned many techniques from cell culturing to heart surgeries through the guidance of my mentors and colleagues. I am grateful for the SDB Choose Development Fellowship because without it, I would not have had the opportunity to devote my summer to research. Also, being in a lab filled with some wonderful people makes learning so much easier. Aside from techniques, I have also learned a lot about what my lab is researching, but also have become better at thinking critically. This is such an important part of becoming a successful researcher and something that I will continue to work on as an undergrad. My summer project utilizes transgenic zebrafish as a model to try to understand if a specific transcription factor affects heart muscle cell proliferation. Specifically, I am looking at the transcription factor BOC1 to see if it has any phenotypic effect when overexpressed in heart muscle cells. The first thing that I needed to do was develop the overexpression vectors for the project. This was done by my lab mentor Jake, and I was able to start with the injection of these vectors into zebrafish embryos. This insertion of the transgene was the first step in making stable overexpression lines. Currently, I am in the middle of making the lines stable through mating and screening for the transgene. The next step will be to see the transgene strength of expression in each line and determine the experimental groups. As the villain of heart disease still looms over the world, we are getting closer to answers and ways to fight it. Through the work of Dr. Goldman and many other researchers in this field, humanity gets a step closer to developing treatments that will hopefully make heart disease less lethal or completely irrelevant. The Goldman Lab will continue to fight against heart disease with the help of zebrafish. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see everyone in person next year at the next SDB annual meeting.